It can be scary to start using a new tool, whether it's a hefty paper planner or even a digital one. If you don't use the planner well, you may end up with the opposite impact, even if your goal is to reduce your hectic work schedule in return for more spare time. I frequently made utilizing new tools too difficult or even not utilize them to their full potential, which negates the tool's original goal for helping me organize my to-do list. An essential tool for maintaining organization and effectively An essential tool for maintaining organization and effectively managing your time is a planner, whether you're a professional, student, or even just someone looking to maximize their time. A well-structured planner may make all the difference. I've done a lot of studying on this aspect of planner utilization, and these are some things that I have learned along the way. Perspective plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/perspective plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hi, I'm Christina B. Rising, and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show. Here, I help you boost your productivity and stay organized so that you can easily handle whatever life throws at you. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos and podcasts every single week. You can also shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. Thank you to our patrons and channel members for supporting this episode. Now, let's get into this episode. 1. Organize your planner. It's time to consider how to organize the planner when the principles and the driving forces are evident. Establishing a technique for recording information in your planner is crucial. There isn't a right or wrong way to do this, but it's important to be consistent and have all the information you require at your fingertips. Among the items to mention are name of a task, time and due date, priorities, where, if relevant, and additional information, such as names and even contact information. Utilize the planner's function. The tools that can help you keep organized and save time may vary depending on the sort of planner you are using. Remember these: note sections, making notes during brainstorming or even meetings, to make it easier to locate your ideas later. Many planners contain special note-taking areas. Sections cited. Do you have an address book in your planner? Keep track of any key contacts with it so you can quickly locate their details when you need them most. Labels, stickers, and of course tags. Some planners include labels or even stickers that you can use to indicate significant dates or even assignments. Additionally, color coding is a fantastic method to give your calendar a unique touch. Tip 2. Obtain the appropriate planner. The first and most important step in becoming more efficient and organized is selecting the appropriate planner for you. Like a reliable buddy, your planner is there to support you through your hectic life. Let's examine the many planner kinds and how to choose the best one for you to ensure that you're off to a good start. Dimensions, of course, are important. You may choose from a variety of options, including a medium-sized planner for convenient on-the-go use, or even a bigger desk planner for a more thorough view of your calendar, or a little teeny-tiny paper planner that fits neatly in every bag or even your pocket. The Everman Accounts Planner can help you sort out your hectic calendar and can accommodate all of your appointments and plans. Grab one today at perspectiveplans.com. Tip 3. Pick a time and a topic to write about in the planner. Making a well-written itinerary for your activities for the week is a great method to stay organized. On Mondays, when you settle into your work routine, take out your weekly planner and look forward to the upcoming week. Make note of any due dates, repeating duties, or even appointments that are scheduled for particular days. Take Monday meetings at 10 a.m. as an example of when you and your team will meet. Mark off an hour of your calendar since you know that's how long this meeting will go. Additionally, it is advisable to provide additional time before, to, and following the meeting for preparation and, of course, any subsequent tasks. A weekly calendar can help you stay on top of everything that's coming up and make sure you have enough time to finish everything. If you're looking for a digital planner, you might find our free schedule templates useful. Write down the things that are truly important to you. Your schedules for work, celebrations of life's milestones, and even festivities. Time constraints, task schedules, lead time, bill due dates, scheduled visits to your doctor, your Amazon wish list, and even your car maintenance schedule. Parties, and even motivating quotes. So, what are your thoughts? Goals. Your personal health and, of course, wellness may be better organized with the help of a planner. Therefore, it's a good idea to write them down. Routines for resting, your dietary procedures, vitality levels, use of social media, your physical fitness, and even athletic schedule. Tip 4. Opt for time boxing. If you want to make the most of your time boxing is a great method to follow. In it, you divide your day into tiny halves and give each one your whole attention. If you wanted to schedule your day like this, for instance, checking and replying to emails from 8 up until 9, writing from 9 to 12. And of course, having a lunch break at 12 all the way to 1. Client meetings at 1 to 4, and time to get things done on your to-do list from 4 to 5. Making use of time blocks can help you stay on top of the things that matter and make progress towards your most essential goals. Additionally, it can assist in keeping you from becoming overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks that need to be accomplished every single day. You may have certain responsibilities or even upcoming activities that fall under certain time slots. Also, there may be a chance that the time is not very organized. That adaptability is the secret ingredient of time blocking success. Another option is to follow the Pomodoro approach, which recommends working for about 25-minute increments separated by brief pauses. Tip 5, get into the routine. Using your planner more often makes it easier to keep everything organized. Try to use your planner every day. It'll help it feel like a natural part of your routine. Hey, until it feels like second nature, why not use a daily alarm on your phone to give you a little nudge to update your planner? It could actually help you in your productivity. You might find yourself, like I sometimes do, juggling a bunch of planners for different tasks, like personal stuff, work stuff, and anything else, you name it. But to kick things off, it's a good idea to focus on just one planner for now. If you really want to make using a planner a regular thing, consider linking it up to something you already do every day. Try taking a moment each morning with your coffee or even doing your evening relaxation to review and update your planner. This easy combination helps you build the habit and turning it into something you naturally do over time. And if you stick with it, your planner will fit right into your everyday routine without a hitch. Tip 6. What else can be included in a planner? Typically, some planners include a motivational quote for each of the 7 days of the week, examples of mindfulness, exercises for stress management, or even a few tips for making the most of your free time. I've seen others with frameworks for monthly or even weekly check-ins to undertake your learnings and plan more effectively in the future. The ability to keep a gratitude notebook is a wonderful extra for any planner. A simple act of writing down one item you are thankful for every day may have a profound effect on your attitude and overall health. You can keep yourself responsible and consistent by keeping track of your water intake, exercise, and even your reading habits with habit trackers that come with certain planners, including mine, the Every Minute Counts Planner. Tip 7. Allocate time for rest periods. The best laid planners can never guarantee a problem-free outcome. For that reason, it is critical to plan for a grace period between activities and, of course, events. If anything takes more time than anticipated, you won't be deterred. You may also give yourself some breathing room, catch up on emails, or even take a bit of a rest during a buffer time. If taking breaks is crucial to maintaining productivity, be sure to include these buffers in your itinerary. That being said, this function is standard on the majority of digital planners. Tip 8, review your monthly priorities. After you nail down your daily and even weekly tasks, it's time to create a monthly planner overview. This will give you a bird's eye view of everything that needs to be done in the next weeks. Use the monthly calendar view of your planner to jot down important events, deadlines, and even goals for the month. To make things easier to see and prioritize, consider using different colors for different types of entries. For example, one color could be for work-related events, another for personal events, and yet another for important deadlines. Consider using sticky notes or even tabs for extra important dates or even priorities that might require more attention in addition to color coding. Even using markers can be used to draw attention to deadlines or even events that can change or need any further preparation. This adaptability enables you to make changes as necessary while maintaining the functionality and organization of your monthly overview. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 9, create goals at every level, weekly, monthly, and even yearly. Setting goals is a great way to stay motivated and even focused. Begin with annual goals that you want to achieve this year. These can be about anything, your career, personal growth, health, or anything else. Then break those down into monthly objectives. What specific steps can you take each month to work towards your bigger goals? Finally, outline what needs to be done each week to support your monthly objectives. Having a hierarchy of goals makes your long-term aspirations more approachable and less daunting. Reviewing your objectives on a regular basis keeps you on track, which is why setting them up is just the beginning. Make time to reflect on your accomplishments once a week or even a month. Is what you're doing working, or do you need to make some changes? Being adaptable with your plans helps you stay on track with your annual goals, even when life throws a few curveballs at you. Tip 10. Set deadlines and time limits for tasks and even your goals. Keeping an orderly planner requires efficient time management productivity. Set aside certain times in your weekly and even daily agendas for appointments and even responsibilities. Remember to include time for breaks and even relaxation. And be realistic about how long each work might take you. Establishing due dates for assignments and objectives fosters a feeling of urgency and keeps you overall responsible. Unexpected events might happen, so it's critical to find a balance between being flexible with your schedule and meeting deadlines. It might be difficult to stay focused and, of course, productive, but the good news is that you can utilize your calendar to make a simple productivity plan. Bonus tip if you made it this far into the episode: use paper planners in conjunction with digital tools. By combining digital tools with a paper planner, you can benefit from both flexibility and structure. Digital tools can sync your schedule, set reminders, and track progress in real time, while planners help you imagine your day and outline tasks. With this method, you can manually record ideas while maintaining calendar syncing and automated alerts. Try using applications like Google Calendar or even Todoist in conjunction with your paper planner to get the most out of this hybrid strategy. While your paper planner continues to be your own center for in-depth planning and even brainstorming, you can use the apps to share calendars with others or even create recurring reminders. This integration keeps you flexible and productive, but making sure nothing falls between the cracks. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip on our list. 1. Organize your planner. 2. Obtain the appropriate planner. Tip 3. Pick a time and a topic to write about in your planner. Tip 4. Opt for time boxing. Tip 5. Get into the routine. Tip 6. What else can be included in your planner? Tip 7. Allocate time for rest periods. Tip 8. Review your monthly priorities. Tip 9. Create goals at every level. Tip 10. Set deadlines and time limits for tasks and goals. Bonus tip: use paper planners in conjunction with digital planners. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.